when we wanna come closer. Don't tell
Hey everybody, welcome back to Tiffany's Loc Jewels. I'm your host Tiffany, and today we are discussing gemstone hair ties. So even though this episode is called Loc Jewelry Spotlight, the spotlight today is going to be on gemstone hair ties. Finally, these are back in stock. I am so glad that I actually created these years ago. Like when I first started the business, I had maybe one or two styles like this, and then I just stopped because it just wasn't the season for it, I guess, to come forth. And I deviated and created my own hair ties, and that was like they're just the regular gemstone hair ties with all the gems around them. And this design, I did not originate this design. There was another sister years ago that created this design. I'm not quite sure what happened to her or where she's at, but she was in the natural community, and I think she had loose natural hair. I don't think it was really locks. But long story short, other people started making these same kind of ties, and they just became popular. So they were very normal. But these I consider Tiffany's Loc Jewels, like Tiffany's style Loc Lassos. So this one that I have here is called Anthracite Gray, and it has the this beautiful gray stone jasper, and then it has red streaks going through it. Not all the stones have red in them, but most of them do. And then I've paired it with a matte fossil coral. So that's what we have here. And I have a lot of other styles that I'll show you at the end. One being carriage green, and this is India bloodstone, and this is really super pretty. And this is with like a red and green fire agate, and I really think that's really super pretty. And then there's, like, you could see the marks of the red in here, and of course there'll be close-ups online. And then this one's absolutely gorgeous. This has been selling pretty good. This is the crazy lace agate piece called Tuscan Sun. And this one was just absolutely stunning. And it's been selling out pretty quick, but all of these they're just gorgeous. And then this is crazy lace jasper here also, down here. And then this is like a yellow jade. And this is onyx. So we've been using all natural stones for these, natural gemstones. They have been modified, tweaked a little bit just based upon what we have in stock. But as you can see, they're just equally beautiful. And then the wood is an oxbone wood, like it's a special wood that is this tie area right here. So everything here is just, goes right along with the way I like to, launch my jewelry, my ties, and whatever, all the things I do. My jewelry is all like gemstones, and it has my little touch, my little signature style to it, But today I'm hoping to don one of them for you. And what I'm going to be using to don them is actually a new gemstone hair tie. It's called comp ties. And they're all going to have these like 3 little gemstones like this, kind of like for the gem hair ties, but just simpler, like a step up, but not as elaborate as gemstone hair ties are ready to wear, which I'll get into that later. But these are comp ties, and basically they are complementary hair ties, complementary to whichever one you want to pair it with. So for instance, with the black, I'm going to put this on today to wear with the black, and so that whenever you are wearing it up, you might see these little gems somewhere, and it's just an extra compliment to whatever it is you're doing. So, and then also you can like wear them as like a bracelet if you wanted to, you know, you don't have to, you know, like until you're ready to wear it, you know, you can put them on as a bracelet. This is a little tight, but you know, you can just, you know, so these can be worn alone, obviously, just as like a regular hair tie, just a regular hair tie. You can just use it like that. You don't even have to buy anything else. Just like, you know, the For the Gym hair ties are very, like one, you know, just a singular element, basically, singular design. But these will be similar. And so you can purchase these online under Gemstone Hair Ties. I don't think I'm going to have a separate column for them. They're just going to be under Loc Lasso's. Every single hair tie category will have these there. So that whatever category you're in, you can find comp tie right there and go through the drop down and choose whether you want the Onyx, the Zebra Jasper, the Tiger's Eye, whatever it is you want. But not to waste any more time, I'm going to try to go ahead and put my hair in one of these ties. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my For the Gym hair tie actually first, and then the comp tie, because I'm not sure if I can get all of mine, because my hair is a little bit longer, so I don't know if I can get all of it in you know, with just the comp tie. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to try to start with this. Plus it'll allow you to see my the comp tie being you'll be able to see it better, like, you know, because I'll already have had the other tie in. So as you can see, my locks are growing pretty steadily, pretty steady. I've been using the mist every day, but we will proceed. I don't want to get distracted. So let me see if I can get these on. So put this on like this, right? This is just going to be kind of like a quick and dirty way of getting your hair up. So I'm going to put my hair down like this. I'm going to put it like this. I don't know if you guys could see how much you could see. And then I'm going to go a third time on this, like that. And then I will use like the prompter to like help. I will use the prompter to help me a little bit. So if you see me looking to the side, that's going to be me looking just to make sure, because I don't have like a mirror right around here. But basically, let me see, make sure I have it out. I think I have all my hair out. I might even just have to use my trusty phone to see. Okay, now obviously you guys will be able to make it more perfect than me. Okay, so I just doubled it around twice. I think I need to do one more. Yeah, I need to do one more. Okay, that's better. Now I have it up and I've loosened it. I've loosened it a little bit, okay? So, like I said, I'm going to use my phone to help me a little bit. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so I'm going to try to, if I can, take it like this and pin it around like this. Now granted, this is just a demo for you to see like how you would wear the tie, not so much the bun. So if you're looking for a bun video, that will be another video like all together. Okay, so now I have the comp tie like this, right? So I'm gonna put this one on here. See how I'm gonna use this just to secure just the bun part, the outer bun. And like I said, I don't have any mirror, just my phone. Now, the comp, like the little gemstones, I really don't know where they're at. I will have to like feel around for them. I think they're, yeah, here it is. So they're right here. There's right here. That's where they are. Next time I do it, I'll use a lighter one, but I don't have any other ones made yet. And then we have this. Okay, that's not too bad. It's enough for you guys to see what I'm doing, right? So I have this, right? And I'm gonna put it right here because I like to wear mine in the front. And then you take it and you take the barrel, put it through, push it through like this. And then you just kind of tug it like to make sure that this barrel thing is like in the middle. And there you have it. It's that simple. It is that simple. Yeah, see? So I hope you can see it. There. Got your pin up, you got it up. Now I'll try to put on another one so you can see like a better color, like a brighter color. So I'm gonna take this one off. See, I took it off, right? Nice and easy. And I'll get two bright, I have two bright ones. Well, this one's a bright one. This is the Azalea pink. See, Azalea pink. Very, very nice. I'm still working on this design. Like, I really like the ONYX, so black, you know, but I may have pink. I might have pink back here too, so I have to see. I'm working on it. But anyways, I'm gonna put this like this, right? And then bring it around. Like this. There we go. There, and it's finished. See? All done. Yeah, so you can see. And then you can add like some jewelry here. Like I have some jewelry still hanging out here, but you know, you just add your little jewelry. But you have this right here, which is nice. This serves as an extra accent, right? So you can make it in such a way that the comp tie comes around, where you could even have like those stones back here if you wanted to, and then have this up here. So you can, you know, play around with it. But I just think that you know, provides an extra something, you know, special to the look. And so there you have it with that, right? And then I have, I hope there's enough time to kind of do them all. But, well, here's another design I really like. This is called Tumbleweed. And this is Artistic Jasper. And it's really nice for like the neutrals, you know, so you could just imagine how pretty that looks. Really nice. But then I have what's called everyday hair ties, right? I have the everyday, like, it's like this purple. This one's called Vivid Violet. And if you recognize the name, it's the same name as one of the amethysts in the Color Me Beautiful collection. So you can even do this, you know, like these are more affordable. So I just want to make sure I have something for everybody, so that, you know, even if you don't want to spend the money on the Loc Lassos or the figure-8s, you can buy the ready-to-wear hair ties, which are great. They're very functional. And these are great too for just like a ponytail, and you just want that one central accent there. It's so nice. I love this one, and I love this one. And the thing about these though is they're gonna, like, this, there's no guarantee that I'll have this forever. Like, you know, I'll have the ready to wear forever, but there's no guarantee that certain styles will be in stock forever, because it's all about what's in supply, you know. Anyways, here is the figure-8. And the reason these were created was because I wanted to create the Loc Lassos, but I couldn't find the stones that were large enough to, you know, make them. So I ended up making these. Now this is an original design by Tiffany's Loc Jewels. Like, this is my original design. And it just has all the same stones throughout, and you can make it like this, right? And I'm gonna put it on for you. But it's, you can, you know, double or triple it up. Like, it's great for if you're going to do like this. You could spread them around. You can spread all these gemstones around. So just imagine how pretty it will look. Look how pretty it will look with the comp tie too. So if you had the comp tie with a matching comp tie to this, it's just nice. And if you do one of those pineapple things, like, you can wrap them all the way up, going all the way up, you know. And if you have more than one, even better. But looking at this, I mean, it's really stunning. The design is so unique, and it's just simple. It's just a different kind of like of more the upscale gemstone hair ties. It's just a simple, more simple, or more complex, a little bit more complex, I mean, but still, it's just a different style, really. It's just a different style. But the key with this one is that you can manipulate it too. You can put that up here, you know, you could put the other rhinestones down below. You know, you could put, you know, you could do whatever you want with this one. You know, you can see how I have one layer here, then I have another layer here, and then you have the accent here. See, these are the comp tie. The comp tie is right here. And next time I do this, I'll try to do like a lighter color for the comp tie, so you can see where they pop out. But anyways, I will try to come back in another video. I'm gonna switch off now, but I'll come back in another video. But I hope you guys got a good chance to see how they go on, and I'll try to do another demo. All right, see you soon. Bye.